In this video, I will show you step by step how to cancel Rouvy subscription. So first step, log in your accounts here, access your accounts. After that, when you access your account with all details, go to your account profile, choose manage your subscription from your accounts, the top right corner, choose manage your subscription, and then click on cancel. As you can see here, just click cancel subscription. When you click this option, right, this one, click finish cancellation, click finish cancellation, and then you will cancellation was successfully cancelled. So you can cancel anytime. If you go to your pricing, for example, you will see this option. You will see cancel. As you can see here, you will see from here cancel anytime. So just go to your manage subscription and then click cancel my subscription or membership. This is how you can do basically. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this.